What's going on, guys? It's Fitness with Flex, and quick tip number 25 is don't let the excuse of not having time be your downfall as of why you're not reaching your fitness goal. Almost everyone's going to say they have a hectic schedule, and it's true. Everyone has a different lifestyle, and you might have a hectic schedule, but that doesn't mean you don't have the time to work out. If you were only to work out 1 hour a day, that's only 4% of the whole day. Hey, you can't work out, you're so busy that you can't work out for that 1 hour? Work out for 10 minutes then. If you're doing 10 minutes every day, that's 10 minutes more than what you were doing before. You're still going to lose some type of weight. You're burning some type of calories. That's going to get you started. Once you build a routine of working out 10 minutes every day, 15 minutes every day, you might see that you might get more time. And maybe later on, you could work out for 30 minutes, an hour. But the point is, let's get started. Do 5 minutes every day, and trust me, you're going to see a huge, huge difference.